Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use this amazing academic tracker template to stay on top of your studies and manage all your academic tasks efficiently. The template contains a course database for tracking your courses, a task database for managing all your academic tasks, including assignments, projects, presentations, and exams, with an integrated grade tracker for each task and course. To add a course, add a page to the course database. Enter the course name as the page title. Fill in the course details. The pending work and grade will be calculated as you add academic tasks. You can add tasks for the course directly on the course page, or add tasks directly to the task database. Create a page on the tasks database. Add the task name as the page title. Select the course. Select the academic task type. Set the due date and priority level. A countdown to the due date is shown automatically. Update the status as you work on the task. Once a task is graded, add your score. The score has to be out of 100. To find your score out of 100, divide your score earned by the total marks times 100. So if you scored 9 out of 10, 9 divide by 10 times a 100. Your score out of 100 will be 90. Add the weight, which is percentage of your final course grade the task counts for. Accumulation of your weighted scores will be used to calculate your course grade. You have a chart of all your tasks grouped by status, so you can easily view number of pending, in progress, and completed tasks. Click any segment of the chart to view the tasks with that status. Open a course page for a filtered view of tasks related to that course. And that's how you can use this academic tracker template to stay organized throughout your academic journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tutorials. Remember to check out the description below for the link to the free template.